Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to my car. It is Friday at 9:57 a.m. I just got in the car after getting home from my class this morning. I have class 8:30 to 10:30, but it generally gets out early, so I finished at like 9:45. I just got home, took the bus, you know. That's about it. So, today's video is going to be a little productive day in my life because I realized I've never done a day in my life. I've only done like weeks or weekends, you know, that kind of thing. So we're doing a day today. I have a lot of things that I need to get done because it is my friend's birthday this weekend. So we have like some little events planned for that. So obviously I need to help, you know? That didn't make any sense. But I need to get a lot of work done today so I can have a little bit more time on the weekend. You might be like, Tessa, where are you going? I'm going to the dollar store because I need to get some hangers because I'm out of hangers. Like, I have too many clothes for the amount of hangers that I have. And well, it's just really not doing me a solid because I can't put my clothes away. And you know, that's just not good. So I'm gonna go get some more hangers and do some laundry, put my clothes away. What else do I need to do? Yeah, that's that. I'm also gonna clean my room, clean the bathrooms. Not bathrooms, just bathroom. And then just get a whole bunch of work done. Sorry, I was just scratching my face. That's why it's all red. Oh, I have a lot of work to do. So today, I'm going to start working on an essay, and I'm also going to work on another comp sci assignment. Those are like the two classic things of this semester in my life. That's about it. This is the second last week of classes. I guess it's Friday, so there's only one more week of class, or I guess a week and a half. Our classes end on a Tuesday, which is really weird. Tuesday, April 9th, and then exams start on the April 11th. So, yeah, that's about that. I'm gonna go to the dollar store, and I'll see you there. My face is so red. It's so itchy, though. I shouldn't scratch it. Okay, I'm home now. I think my plan of attack is I'm going to deal with my laundry, figure out what I want to do with all of this stuff that's everywhere, and then I'm gonna put a load of laundry into the wash and then have a shower, and then after I shower I'm gonna actually clean up this disaster of a room. First, I want to show you just quickly how bad it is. So let's start with my desk. We've got dishes, we've got random pieces of paper, my garbage is overflowing, and then my bed is just disgusting, and then look at my floor. It's just an absolute mess. That box is actually meant to be there. But I have dishes, I have just stuff everywhere, so I'm going to figure out what I want to do with my laundry and just get started on that because it's so disgusting. So yeah, that's what I'm going to start with. Number one. So this is going to be the most boring segment of the vlog, but I thought I would tell you guys how I separate my laundry. I don't know. Basically, my little hamper thing has 3 sections, and given the time of year I'm doing, and like the nature of my clothing right now, I'm doing hoodies and sweatpants and like cotton t-shirts, that kind of stuff. That's in one load. The second load is like knit sweaters. I think that's gonna be all it is. And then the third load is all workout clothes. And then the way that I wash my underwear, socks, and bras is I have these little, I don't know what to call them, but they're like mesh washing laundry bags. I love them. I put like all my socks in one, all my underwear in one, and basically it just keeps everything all contained, and I love it because then I don't lose socks. Then I don't have like random socks stuck to things once I take them out of the dryer, and I honestly just love them so much. I also just accidentally threw it on the ground, but I will link some of these down below. Actually, maybe I can find the exact ones that I have because I did get them on Amazon. So I'm gonna get back to my laundry sorting and stuff. Wow, I live an exciting life. It is now 1:30 and I got dressed, just so you know. I'm finally done cleaning for the most part. Wow. And I just made myself a little bit of lunch. I made 2 chicken burgers and I just have a little pile of carrots because we need some health. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do for the next little bit. Just take a little break and then I'm gonna start doing my work. Yum. It is now, let me check, 4:20 in the PM, and I am making some serious progress on this computer science assignment. The project is that we have to make a website with a company that we make up, so I'm doing a plant store. So fun, I know. And yeah, I'm making some really good progress, but a bunch of my things aren't working, like my JavaScript and Bootstrap and stuff isn't really working, so I'm not really sure what to do about that, but I have some time to figure it out because it's not due until Tuesday and it's only Friday, so I've got lots of time. He also thinks that he will be pushing the assignment due date back, so there's that too. Also, I know I look like I got hit by a bus, I'm aware, but I didn't. That's just how we're doing right now. I likely will not put makeup on for the rest of the day just because it's a lot of work and I'm not down for it. Anyways, I'm gonna get back to trying to figure out how to code. Yo. That was weird. What's up, guys? It's now 7. And I am making dinner, but I don't really have any vegetables, so I had some frozen edamame, so I made that, and that is going to be my vegetable. But since my dinner is not ready, I'm just going to eat it now, because why not? Very good. It is so much later. It's almost 10, maybe? I don't really know. Welcome to our sketchy basement. I'm trying to cover that light because it's really bad. We had some complications with our laundry. Basically, if you didn't know, I live in a house, but we live in a unit of the house, so there's 4 units in our house, and yeah, so we all share this little laundry thing, and someone in the house did like 6 loads of laundry this morning. So every hour from like 10 until like 3, they were doing laundry. And I came in down and checked every single time, and it was still going. So I am just finishing up my laundry right now. Also, our dryer is a piece of poop, so that's always fun. I'm gonna see, you're on the dryer right now, by the way. I'm gonna see how dry all of my things are. See, like, this is pretty damp. But honestly, what I normally do, because I don't have a drying rack, which is my issue, but what I normally do is just like lie everything out on my bed, or I guess lay everything out on my bed, and then it dries. But the issue is, it's somewhat bedtime, so if I do that, then my bed will be wet by the time that I'm trying to go to sleep. Do you see my dilemma here? So I just don't really know what I want to do in this situation. Also, that's the laundry machine. I'm still doing a load of laundry. Like, this is soaking wet. What do I do? It's just so annoying. Like, whatever. It's fine. Like, this, it's actually wet. I think I'm gonna put a few of these things, because the load that I'm doing right now in the wash is a lot smaller than what I did here, so I think I'm gonna leave a few things to let them dry. I don't care. I mean, I don't know if anyone cares, but that's what I'm gonna do. So to keep this day rolling, I've decided that I'm gonna do a face mask. I think we're gonna go with this one. I'm gonna do this while my laundry is in the thing, because to me, a productive day is not a productive day without some self-care. I took a shower, now I'm doing a face mask. Let's do it. Oh my god, I just realized I didn't give you guys an update on the thing of my whole productivity. That didn't make any sense. Basically, about, I don't even know, like 6 o'clock maybe, I got an email from 2 of my professors. I have 2 outstanding assignments before exams, and both of them we just got massive extension. So I have over a week to do both of these assignments now, and I was stressing all day about having to do them. Whatever, I'm happy though, because I got really far in my comp sci assignment and I made a little bit of progress on my essay. So that's actually really good. I'm really happy about that. But it's just in a way, I guess it's good, because then I have more time, but still, you know when you work for something and then it's just like, oh, I didn't have to do that right then. Anyways, I'm gonna try and finish this nice thing of water before I take my makeup off. This is not makeup. Before I take my mask off, because I feel dehydrated and I don't want to have to get up in the middle of the night to pee. So I'm gonna drink it all right now and pee it out before I go to bed. I'm so smart, right? I say that and then I can't put the straw in my mouth. Okay, bye. Alright, I've got the zit cream on. I've got the blue light glasses. My laptop is on night shift. And it's 11:30. The combination of all those things means it's bedtime. So I'm gonna take this off because it's kind of distracting. My laundry is all done. I'm gonna put it away in the morning though, just because I want to go to sleep. I just made a nice little cup of tea. Oh, I can't even pick it up. In my Santa mug, because we're festive in this household. I'm gonna put it down though. Okay. And that's pretty much it for this productive little day in my life. I really hope you guys enjoyed. If you do, don't forget to subscribe and thumbs this video up so I know to do more. And if you want to see something else from me, that's fair. Just leave it in the comments down below. Yeah, so with all that said, I will see you guys in my next video.